If you don't like doing the same old barbecue but still want to wow dad, then mix things up with these tasty twists. Ditch the routine, keep the grill, and let's get creative. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, the ultimate breakfast-in-bed loaded breakfast burritos. Scramble some eggs, toss in crispy bacon cheese and a handful of veggies. Wrap it up in a warm tortilla boom. Dad's morning is made. Next, level up lunch with a gourmet burger. Think juicy beef patty, caramelized onions, melty cheddar, and a spicy chipotle mayo. Stack it high and don't forget the pickles. Third, for the grill kings out there, try honey garlic glazed chicken skewers. Marinate chicken chunks in honey, soy sauce, and garlic, then thread onto skewers and grill till golden. Sweet, savory, and seriously addictive. Fourth, show off your sides with loaded baked potato salad. Roast baby potatoes mixed with crispy bacon chives and a creamy dressing. It's hearty, it's tasty, and it goes with everything. And finally, no Father's Day is complete without dessert. Serve up a skillet chocolate chip cookie, gooey, warm, and topped with vanilla ice cream. Trust me, Dad's sweet tooth will thank you. There you go, 5 crowd-pleasing recipes to prove your spot as Dad's favorite chef. Which one would your dad love most? Drop a comment below, and happy Father's Day! Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for more delicious Father's Day recipes, buy the cookbook by clicking on the link in the description below.